All right, here we go. Quick driving video for you. Gonna go jump on the highway, a little city driving too. Apple CarPlay. I did notice a service engine soon light came on the other day. My mechanic looked at it. The code just said an emissions code, which can even be like gas cap or just different gas. So not stressed about it. I also noticed the little display down here for all the LS info, you know, all the digital gauging and stuff like that was not on. So I actually think that might be something. So anyway, either way, I'm not stressed about it. I just want to let you know if you see that as I'm kind of showing you on the dash. We'll get that figured out. The nice back seat that doesn't appear to be used heavily. Try to show you some of the acceleration capability here. Just got the new Old Man Emu coils and Fox shocks on there, and man, I think it gave it a good extra 2 inches or so. It's a nice, these already sit nice and tall and feel good and top heavy when you're sitting in them and driving them, but man, this thing really feels good now. It's good height, and I've always liked how nice and low these windows sit to the driver. You know, it feels like you've just got nice visibility all the way around. Once you're on a good stretch of road, man, even these mud tires and the lift and the new suspension and everything, it really drives nice. It's nice and Land Rover stiff on the steering. I've always enjoyed driving discos for that reason. They just feel tank-like. So I'll run on the highway for a minute, give it an exit. Let me know if there's anything else I can show you. Happy to throw it on a lift, FaceTime with you, work with you either way on showing any more details. It'll be helpful, man. Thanks. Test the brakes for you here. Nice, powerful, big rotors on here too. All right, let me know how I can help.